the chicken that lays the golden egg. Before, there is a lazy couple living in poverty. But I think about getting something for nothing all day long. Hope the pie falls from the sky. One day, something magical happened. Their hen actually laid a golden egg. The couple took the golden eggs to the market to sell for a lot of money. It's effortless. You get such a large sum of money. Both husband and wife are happy. That's all. They take a golden egg to the market every day and sell it. Soon made a fortune. Bought a lot of land. They built a beautiful house again. Many servants were also hired. I had a great time. But they're still greedy. Still not satisfied with all this. One day, the wife said to her husband, "Since that hen can lay a golden egg every day, then there must be many, many golden eggs in his stomach. Maybe there's a big vault hidden away." Husband listened, strongly agreed. Exactly. We might as well just kill him. Take out all the golden eggs. Is that so? We don't have to bother to be simple every day. Just do it. The couple excitedly walked towards the chicken coop. Killed a hen. And they were disappointed. In the belly of a hen, no golden eggs, not to mention the vault. The couple are very regretful, but it was too late. They could have a golden egg every day. Now there's nothing left. Pretty soon, the couple spent all their possessions. Back to poverty. They went back to their old dilapidated house. Lamented. Wouldn't it be nice if we cherished our wealth? If we don't kill the hen that laid the golden eggs. Now there is still a golden egg every day. This story tells us that if we don't know how to be content, insatiable, we will lose what we already have. There is nothing in the world that comes for nothing. Did the young reader like this story? Like it if you like it.